Organic farmers have been looking for places where to buy pumice for gardening that comes in different sizes. Besides your local stockist, it is critical to see who can deliver pumice to your doorstep. Pumice is a volcanic rock that provides excellent soil conditioning and improvement. It helps keep nutrients and increase aeration in the soil because of its porous. It is possible to buy your pumice from the comfort of your home through online stores. Look at all the options in this video and see where you can find them easily. Where to buy pumice for gardening. Pumice for plants companies. GeneralPumiceProducts.com. This is an all-American company based in Southern California. They have mastered the sourcing and selling of environmentally friendly pumice. Their promise is to offer the best pumice from their sources. They have 2 mines in Olancha, California. Each bag of pumice that they sell is mined and packaged on site. Head over to their site and place your orders. PumiceStore.com. Hess Pumice is a company located in Idaho. It mines and processes pumice to be used in various applications. They are a lead supplier of pumice. The Pumice Store offers different grades of pumice that match your garden needs. They offer different stone-sized bags ranging from 5 to 100 pounds. BulkApothecary.com. They began as brick and mortar company in 2010 and have since expanded to pumice stone and other products. They stand out for their exceptional customer service, great quality, and low prices. Before you order, you can also check reviews from past customers. E-commerce stores where to buy pumice for gardening. Amazon.com. Being the largest retailer in the world, Amazon offers a wide selection of goods. The wide selection means it's possible to find a variety of one item at different prices and sizes. Pumice is such an item. You can scroll through and select this product from different sellers. An Amazon Prime account gives you the added advantage of free 2-day shipping. Before you place your order, it's possible to read reviews from other buyers. The competitive pricing and wide selection make it a great platform to order from. Etsy.com. Independent sellers across the globe can sell their products on Etsy. Gardening is not left out on this e-commerce site. You can browse through the gardening category and find pumice sellers. Many sellers offer free shipping with your purchase. It comes in different sizes, content compositions, and prices. Check Etsy to see if any seller has the right pumice you need. Wayfair.com. This e-commerce store has many supplies stocking home decor and gardening products. To qualify for the free shipping, you can order goods over $35 and get them shipped to you at no cost. Buildasoil.com. They specialize in a variety of organic fertilizers. Their pumice stone does not have as much variety as other sellers, but they sell a high-quality blend that increases soil health. They offer free shipping on about 37 pounds of weight free shipping. Recommended products: pumice for gardening. Tiny Roots Horticultural Pumice Soil Additive. Bonsai Jack Horticultural Pumice Soil Amendment. Nature's Footprint Pumice Soil Amendment. Pumice is an amazingly versatile stone. In these modern days, it's getting many uses, thus more customers. You now know where to order when you need pumice for your various needs. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.